Alright, let's talk about something that's been eating at me and a lot of car enthusiasts for years. How the EPA's fuel economy and emissions rules have completely changed the cars we drive. And honestly, not always for the better. Back in the day, cars were simple. I mean, V8 motors, raw horsepower, and that unmistakable rumble you'd hear at every stoplight. But in the 1970s, the EPA rolled out new regulations, especially CAFE standards, meant to slash emissions and improve fuel economy. And just like that, the golden era of muscle cars pretty much ended. Horsepower plummeted, and suddenly the cars we loved became shadows of their former selves. Fast forward to today, automakers have had to get creative to avoid massive fines for missing fuel economy targets. That means smaller engines, turbochargers, direct injection, even hybrid tech. Basically, anything to squeeze out a few more miles per gallon and keep the EPA happy. Sure, the numbers look good on paper. EPA stats say horsepower and efficiency have improved, but that's mostly because of EVs and plug-in hybrids flooding the market. The classic internal combustion engines? They've gotten smaller, more complicated, and, if you ask most enthusiasts, just not as fun. And let's be real. A turbocharged four-cylinder can be quick, but it's not the same as a big, naturally aspirated V8. There's less character, more electronics, and a lot more stuff that can go wrong after 100,000 miles. Reddit threads and shop talk everywhere agree. These new engines need more maintenance, and they just don't last like the old-school motors. On top of that, features like auto start-stop, meant to save gas, became almost unavoidable, even though just about everyone I know finds them annoying. The good news? Recent changes mean automakers aren't being fined for missing those fuel targets anymore, and the EPA's backing off the push for start-stop tech. So maybe, just maybe, we'll see some of that driver connection come back. But here's the thing, the industry's still aiming for nearly 60 mpg by 2032. That means even more electrification, more complexity, and probably fewer cars built for pure, unfiltered fun. For me, and for a lot of us, it feels like the soul of car culture is slipping away, sacrificed on the altar of efficiency and regulations. Will things swing back? Or is this just the new normal? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the EPA's rules have changed cars forever, and not always in a way that speaks to the heart of real car enthusiasts.